Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will teach you exercise 2.3 of NCERT decimals and fractions chapter. We will do question number 8 in this video, and we have already completed question 1 to 7 of this exercise. And if you have not watched my videos, then please visit my channel and watch all the videos. So let's start this video with this question. What we have to find out in this: provide the number in the box. There is a box, this is a box, and we have to find out the number in this box, as that is 2 upon 3 multiply by the number and equals to 10 upon 30. It means there is a number, we have to find out this number. It means what number we can multiply by 2 upon 3 in order to get 10 upon 30. Suppose if you see, that is if you put 5 in the numerator, that is 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and if you put 10 in the denominator, you will get the answer 30. That is 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. We have to find out this number, that is 5 upon 10. So our answer would be 5 upon 10. And if you cannot find this number, how? It's a easy way to find this number. Just divide this 10 by 2. That is, if you divide 10 by 2, you will get the answer 5. Here it is a 5. And if you divide 30 by 3, you will get the answer 10. So our answer would be 5 upon 10. It means what number we have to multiply with 2 upon 3 in order to get 10 upon 30. So our answer would be 5 upon 10. You can check it, that is 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 and 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. So our answer is therefore 5 upon 10 is the required fraction. That is the 8th question A part. And the 8th question second part is, we have to find out the simplest form of the number. They are asking that the number we have just find out, that is 5 upon 10, we have to find out the simplest form of that number. What is the simplest form? Suppose if you have a number that is 4 upon 2, if you have this number, we have to cut this number in order to take the simplest form of this number, that is 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. So the simplest form of 4 upon 2 is 2. So in the same way we will do with the 5 upon 10, that is the number we have just find out in the first part. The number in the box is 5 upon 10, and the simplest form of 5 upon 10 is 1 upon 2. How we will solve this 1 upon 2? That is 5 multiplied by 5, 1 is 5 and 5 2 is 10. So our answer is 1 upon 2. The simplest form of 5 upon 10 is 1 upon 2. So in the B part, this is same as the A part. We have to find out the number in this box. So how we will do this? That is, we have to find out that number which, if we multiply that number by 3 upon 5, we will get the answer 24 upon 75. So I have told you it's a better way to divide 24, this number 24 divide by 3, and this 75 divide by 5. So if you divide 24 by 3, that is 3 8 ja 24. You got the answer 38. You will get the answer 8. So here in the numerator number is 8, and you can also see that is 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. And in order to find out this number, you have to divide 75 by 5. That is 5 1 ja 5 and 2 is remaining left. 5 will remain as it is, that is 5. Your answer would be 15. So in the denominator your answer would be 15, and if you see 15 multiplied by 5 is 75. So our required number in the box is 8 upon 15. Now in the second part we have to find out the simplest form of 8 upon 15. The number which I have just find out, that is the simplest form of 8 upon 15 is 8 upon 15. Why? Because if you see that this 8 upon 15 and this 8 upon 15, we cannot cut this 8 upon 15 with any number. So the simplest form of 8 upon 15 is just the same, that is 8 upon 15. So this video is completed, and this exercise is also completed. And in the next video we will do the next exercise of this chapter. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.